Okay, so let's make 3 different versions of Negroni. For our home edition, we're not gonna use any bar tools, so just as a jigger we will use shot glass, and as a bar spoon we'll use regular tablespoon. Super easy, we're going to put all ingredients, equal parts, directly into the serving glass. First, 1 ounce of Campari. Next, gin, no special brands, just use whichever you have at home, also 1 ounce. And last ingredient is sweet vermouth, yep, as you figured, 1 ounce as well. Now let's fill up our glass with ice, and as you see I'm adding ice at the end. You don't have to do it, you can put it in the beginning. Let's stir it for like 20 seconds, but if you're not familiar with this technique and going pretty slow, so for you it might take about 30 seconds or so. For the garnish to our first Negroni, we will need fresh orange slice. You can put garnish in the middle of the glass, or like I'm doing here, put it on the side to make it more appealing. For our pro version, let's gear up with some bar tools. First, let's put 1 ounce of dry gin. I'm gonna be using Blue Coat American gin here. Let's roll Campari over, and also we will need 1 ounce. Last ingredient, we will need 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. I really hope my Italian friends will forgive me. Hope it's pronounced Cocchi or Cocci. Let's put a couple large pieces of ice, slick bar spoon spin, and let's stir it for like 30 seconds. We will use pretty chilled double rocks glass, add large cube of clear ice, and with help of this little julep strainer, pour everything right on top. While you enjoy this beautiful pour, I will ask you please hit the like button, and you will be the most amazing person if you hit the subscribe button right now. With a citrus peeler, cut thin orange zest, squeeze some oils on top, and place it right inside of the cocktail. Before we start our expert version, please let me know what Negroni you like so far, number 1 or number 2. For this version we will need double rocks glass and mixing glass. We need our Negroni extra cold, so let's chill our mixing glass first. I'm using large cubes, but with small ice it will get cold actually a little bit quicker. Now our glass is really cold, so just using julep strainer get rid of water. Let's start with gin. We're still going to put equal parts, but we will use maybe ½ ounce or 3/4. The same goes with Campari. I will use the same vermouth as in the previous Negroni. 1 more spin with a bar spoon and stir it also for 30 seconds. Let's put it on the side for a little bit. For this smoky Negroni, I will be using cherry wooden chips. Now let's move closer our double rocks glass and smoking gun. To make this presentation extra special, we're going to fill up our ice cube with smoke first. I'm pretty sure you get an idea how we make this type of ice, but if you would like me to explain it, just let me know in the comments. It already will be really cool if you pour Negroni directly into this cube, but this is not it. Now we put our empty ice sphere on top of the cube, and slowly, using the julep strainer, strain Negroni right inside. This preparation definitely takes some time, but you make this kind of Negroni when you, for example, out of ideas and still looking for ways to impress your date. So this delicious Negroni with such an incredible presentation will definitely make you stand out. Make sure to let me know what you think. It's not going to sit in the glass for a long time, ice gonna melt pretty quick, but if you'd like to speed up the process, you just tap a few times with the ice chipper and smash it like that. I shaped citrus zest with zigzag scissors and then just pin it in a glass rim. Enjoy!